the diddy end. Let's have a good work. Turbocharger! Leaking. Leaking here. Oh no! 360,000 kilometers! Oh no! Rust! Maybe this is not so good anymore. Maybe it's very salty. Problems over problems. No problem here. No leaking air. A long down here. Quality. Seems they're in good condition here. Every bolt. Smoke here. Looks okay. This is not the problem. Chinese smoke diagnostic. Diddy. Baby oil. Power on. Oh, genius. Close the hole. Tight. Fill it out. And for the good freak out, fill the diddy in. Fill it in. Oh yeah. Let's have a good work. Good party. Not the air model, but the smoke model here. Now the smoke is coming out. Don't be fooled. This is normal. Oh no! Something is leaking from down there. Leak. Oh no! Leakage. Oh no! Let the device smoke. We bring the car up. Somewhere there is leaking. Oh no! Turbocharger! Leaking. Leaking here. Problem. Here also, but this is normal. This has nothing to do with power. A lot of smoke. Second screw. Make it clean. Now don't change the pipe. We have the solution. High temp silicon gel volume 343 degrees. Wow, best product. Oh no. It stinks. Use a lot of product. Perfect, good. Oh yeah. Use a much product here. A lot. This will last forever. Yes. Yeah. Put the screw back in the hole. Now here was also a leakage. Clean. Now the other side. Now put it back inside. Perfect. Again, now test it. No smoke anymore. Very good. Nothing is leaking. This engine will last forever. Also here, no smoke.